What is up, guys? So it's an early morning. It's about 8:30 for me right now. Of when this video is getting started. But today's a good day. Today is the day that we're gonna hopefully install the DND seats. We got a Cinco de Mayo show tomorrow, so today is May 3rd. Cinco de Mayo is well, technically it's May 5th, but the show's May 4th, which is a Sunday. Today's Saturday morning. So the boy is here a bit early from my boy Matt, but I wanted to try to get a little bit of a head start because I know he got stuff he got to do. Yeah. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna flip the camera. Give me one second. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to take this seat out. I'm gonna flip it so it's like this. It's gonna end up like that, and I'm gonna put it on the other seat, but I'm gonna try to mount the that's crazy. I'm gonna try to mount the bracket to the actual seat by hand and see if that works. Hopefully it does. That'll actually save a lot of time and effort. The rails, obviously I don't care about getting, scuffed up. It's the seats that I care about. So I'm gonna try to be careful with it. And I don't know if y'all saw it in the last video. I'm gonna vacuum this girl out. I found some money in there. Look at that dust. Y'all can't. Woo. Sheesh. I'm gonna vacuum her out because basically I just haven't vacuumed out the interior. It's not bad compared to that mofo, but I'm gonna still vacuum her out. She's a little dusty and dirty, so I'm excited for this car, guys. I think next after the seats. Oh man, what was that? I thought that was like a big old chip. I think after the seats, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just. I got a quote. I think it was like a little over 500. I'm gonna get all this done because it's an eyesore for the interior. The interior don't look bad. I mean, despite that big ass rip and stain in this back seat, but again, for a $400 car and the interior looked like this, other than the steering wheel, the airbag delete, carbon pillars, other than the obvious add-ons, it was a good deal. So that's what your boy's about to do. I'm about to take the seat out, vacuum it, and go from there. So see y'all in a second. All right, boys. Much better. I mean, those are just old stains, but much better. I plan on changing out the carpet if I change the tan. I'm not gonna lie. I may buy a new carpet just because this car couldn't definitely use it. And aesthetically, it'd be nice to update it, but we shall see. But as y'all see over there, got the seat just like that. And I'm about to see if I could mount this up. So pretty much put this on there like that and go from there. So let me see if I can do it. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. What is up, guys? I just want to apologize. I didn't record not a damn thing. Number one, as y'all can see from the floor, we were trying to beat the rain. And then two, my boy Matt, he was trying to, big shout out to him. I love that man so much. Came in clutch. He had to get back to the kids, basically. So, because this lady had to do some stuff, personal stuff. So, but, as y'all see, those seats are in. I'm going to flip the camera, show you guys, pretty much give you a quick walk around of everything we did. When I'm editing and seeing how short this video is will depend if I show the show tomorrow or make that into a whole nother video. Hopefully copyright isn't too bad, but hopefully I talk over it and we won't even have that issue. But yeah, we were talking about the turbo plans because he's going to be one of the ones to help with it. My boy Mario, a couple other hands-on. But let me flip this camera, show y'all what the seats look like. So first off, once we figured out what we were doing, super easy install. because we were getting beat up because we were trying to wrap our head around everything. But once we figured out how to actually do everything, it's perfect. So, out of the 4 bolts, we only used 3. But the seat is not moving. Like, it's moving, but it's barely moving. So the seat is planted, boys. So it's fine. It's the more inner bolt, the way that this bracket is set up, it's hard to get the threads threaded on that side. So again, I'm gonna link the bracket, because the bracket itself, the quality of it, super good. We did no modifications, at least with the seats that I got. We had to do no modifications. It bolted right up. It just worked. Big shout out to DND. The slider, the way that their seat bracket is, we just unbolted the slider, which is pretty much this bolt right here. And there's another one right here. We undid those, undid this side, and we slid it out. So this is the more outer portion. You guys go back on the earlier clips, or in my last video, you'll see that this bolt here is not on there. So since we undid it and moved it out, and we bent the slider bar itself out, the car, this slides perfectly fine. Everything just worked. It's hard to say, but it just worked. Luckily, with the D&D seats, you just remove this bolt and that bolt on both sides. This whole bottom part section of the seat comes out. So we were able to get this bolt here. Those were easy, but mainly get that bolt here. And we bolted on this side, we bolted it to the bottom right here of the car. But we actually have a lock nut and bolt on this side where there was an extra hole on the seat itself for the harness. So now I can show y'all this one. You can see that it like goes under it and behind it, so it's no more like reaching back there. So that's good. It's gonna look a lot more cleaner. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. D&D has amazing products. Everything literally just worked. They usually, I think their main stream vehicles they work on are like 350Zs, I think a BRZ. But they have this exact seat. I believe it's called a Nikos II. I can never pronounce that. Me and my pronunciations are terrible. I think it's Nikos II. And yeah, guys, this just looks so good. Like, I adjusted this. I was trying to get in contact with my lady, but she's just not responding, so she must be busy. But the seat is fully reclinable. I could go further back. I could move all the way up. I could lay damn near all the way back. If the seat slid all the way up, you could probably lay this straight back as a bed. And they are super snug. So at least for me, I'm a bigger dude, but your boy's been working out lately, so hopefully I'll fit in it a little bit better. But even as me being a pretty decent sized dude, it feels comfortable. It's not like, oh my god, I need a refund or nothing. I can definitely work with how it feels. I love these seats. Can't wait to get the rest of the interior done. Headliners definitely for sure next. I'm still debating if I'm going to keep the interior tan. Once I get the headliner and I think the back seat's done, it'll all come together and it'll look really good. So we'll see. But yeah, boys, that's it. And then this is next. We needed those seats done because we got a show tomorrow, so I needed those seats in. We knocked it out in just a perfect amount of time. I think on the driver's side, we took maybe 2 hours because he got here at 9:30, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 3 hours. We took 3 hours to do that one seat just to figure everything out, the first time around everything. But that seat, that's the passenger, 30 minutes, maybe an hour to do because we already knew what to do with everything. So look at the carbon. Oh my God. That's the view. I love that. That's such a nice little flex. And then that DND steering wheel. That was like one of the very first things I did to this car is the steering wheel. So boys, I don't know if this is it, but if it is, I'll see you guys in the next one. So see you soon. What is up, guys? This is the next day. Basically, this is the show. So it's a beautiful day out. Cinco de Mayo, so all my Hispanic family out there. What's up? Happy Cinco de Mayo. But yeah, no, this is where we at. And the seats are super nice. Uh-oh, she yelling at me. Oh, that's, I don't know. Look at those seats. Super nice. So, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. There's more cars coming. But other than that, yeah, we here. So, peace out, guys. See you on the next one. What is up, guys? It's a bonus clip, but I just wanted to show y'all Becky got her wheels on. Looks super good. Call me Chef Boy Amari. Because when she lowered, it's going to camber a little bit, but that's the technically it's a flush fitment, but y'all can see that since the rim has a lip, that's just the design of the rim is for there to be a lip like that. Since there's, let me see, yeah, since there's a lip, you can kind of see it right there. But now this car needs some wheels, but look at that. That thing look good, Becky. Bonus clip. I'm not gonna make a whole video on it. I did a lot of ripping and running. I did a lot of stuff for her. Yeah, so got the car right. Got the bolts. Right. So yeah, hopefully she likes it. See her. I'm gonna try to get her her reaction to it. Cause she's seen pictures, but she hasn't seen it in person yet. So, all right, guys. So, pulling up. Here she is. Ooh, she's smiling. Ooh, she's smiling. Ooh. Oh, dang. I definitely didn't hit that.
Let me in. I love them.
You love them?
Yes. I look so good.
Yeah. Oh, God, traffic.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Reverse. Reverse. So, scale 1 to 10, what do you think of the wheels? 10. 10?
The car looks nice. I was going to get a video of you driving, but you were zooming.
Yeah, because they were on my butt, man. They were just...
Oh, she's letting you go.
Oh. They were on my butt. But, yeah, cleaned her up for you. Cleaned up the mess in the back.
It smells good.
Yeah, that's the air freshener.
I owe y'all food.
Yeah.
The new one?
Yeah.
The other one wasn't done yet.
Yeah, it was.
Where was it?
That thing was done. It left the chat. So, you saw what I said, what you need next?
Yes.
Yeah. So, more content, but, alright guys, I just wanted to get y'all the response. So, she loved them. Y'all already saw it. So, we shall definitely catch y'all in the next video.